Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to get the stock EJ20 pan and pickup back onto the engine, and we're going to put some more stuff onto the front of the engine, getting it closer to getting back into the car. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell to stay up to date when I upload. That being said, let's get into it. Alright boys, I did have the sump from that engine block sitting down here with the pickup. I've taken that to work and put it in the big dishwasher. Alright, let's clean this sump up. Gonna sand it back and paint it probably. It was a little bit rusty, must have got wet it. Alright, where was I? Yeah, the pan had a bit of rust on it, sanded back a bit, still got a bit there. But I'm just going to give it a quick paint with some black. It's really only going to be on the engine for 4 weeks to 6 weeks until I can get to the wreckers and get an EJ25. The birds are dropping stuff on the garage. Yeah, let's get it out and give it a quick paint, and then it'll give me time, well, probably about an hour and a half. I'll be back out here and we'll be able to put it back on. Just a quick coat. It's probably not going to do much, but a bit better than before. I'll come out maybe 10-15 minutes and just give it a quick another coat, and then yeah, we'll come back. I also cleaned out the pickup, so we'll get the pickup on there as well. We can get, after I've done all that in the front, we'll get into some more wiring. Yes, I did bring in these 4 wires from the Haltech, so we can start planning on where I'm going to be putting stuff. Alright guys, so I just flipped the engine over. I'm going to put the pickup on. I'm pretty sure I left some of these loose. Nope. So we're going to put the pickup on, then we'll put the sump on. And I was actually thinking the other day, I don't know if these are equal length headers or not. I think they might be. Just going to do a quick measurement, because surely I've lost the box of rumble. I think they are equal length. Just do a quick string test on it. Alright, so I got the stock pickup there, which I've cleaned up. I don't think I showed you. She is clean. Yeah, just used a bit of wire. I'm pretty sure they're very close in length. Definitely very close in length. And the question is, should I keep these ones? They do sit quite low, as you can see. We are all scraped up on that runner there, which is what, number 1. But the main thing is the EJ25 sump. Will that fit on there with that on there? But also, if I go back to stock to get the location for the up pipe into the stock location, we could go to heaps of different aftermarket headers. I'm pretty sure this is the only one that stops here. All the other ones will go to the stock location. You can change your up pipes to whatever you want. It's got to be an equal length. I definitely don't have the rumble. Kind of want the rumble. But when somebody hears this, they know something's going on because it doesn't have the rumble. Let me know what you think. Should I change the manifold before I cut up the up pipe and customize it to this one, or should I go back to the stock one? Alright guys, so we've got the sump on, we've got the dipstick in, it's not mounted properly yet, got the drain plug, got the engine mounts, there's the old ones. I'll get some new ones when we do the sump. I've got some gaskets, multi-layer gaskets, so we'll put that exhaust back on for now. We'll see how we go. Apparently you can make more power with equal length, so we'll leave that for now. Maybe eventually I'll make my own, but we'll get that mounted up and we'll get all of the nuts on. We'll flip it back over and put some of the things back on the front. Alright, so the exhaust is all bolted on there. Like I said, I think last episode, I've got a Mishimoto oil cooler sandwich plate coming. So I think that's due next week, but I'm not here. So let's rotate this engine back around and we'll get some more brackets and some more pulleys onto the front of it. Alright boys, got all the idler pulleys on, got the cam gears on, just rotating it around so we have the mark at the top. These two line up, these two don't, obviously, so they need to go onto the lobes, so we need to hold them there. But listen to this compression. Yeah. Alright. That was a possum. That wasn't the engine. Alright guys, please remind me every single episode from here that I have not torqued these until I tell you I've torqued them, because we don't want one of them coming off. Alright guys, I'm going to leave this episode here. We've got a bit done today. We've got the sump done, we've got the mounts on, we've got the gaskets and the exhaust now. Let me know if you think I should go back to unequal length to get the Subaru rumble, or just leave it. I'm pretty sure it's equal length. Doesn't sound like it's got the rumble. Got all the idler pulleys back on, got the tensioner, got all the cam gears on but not torqued yet. So yeah, trying to do these a little bit shorter because I am away for a week, trying to backlog them so you guys won't miss out, and I won't have a decrease in views. It takes another month to get it back up. Anyway, tomorrow I'll probably come out and we'll do some fabrication. So we will do this flange here, so we'll do the up pipe, so the turbo will be back on, which is over there, and some other fabrication in the engine bay that I've probably told you about before. And then that should be enough videos to get me through for next week. Yeah. Sick. So guys, if you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And I'll catch you next episode. Bye.